What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I have a Taurus here that I've been working on for quite some time, and one of the things that I've been thinking about was how greasy the steering wheel has become over the last couple of years. So today I'm showing you how to restore the steering wheel on really any leather wrapped steering wheel. Now, all you need for this job is a sponge and some water. Let's get to work. So there's two sides to the sponge. This is a little bit softer, and this side, which is a lot firmer, but still soft to the point where it's not going to scratch the steering wheel. A lot firmer, a lot tighter. The bubbles are a lot smaller than this here. So right off the bat, I just started using the sponge, and I'm not putting a lot of water in it. We're working it very, very smooth. Look at this. Unbelievable how much grease. Now this is, keep in mind, this is a steering wheel that I've been wiping down with different cloths and baby wipes. So it's not like I've never cleaned it before, but this is really getting all of the gunk out. So I'm going to take my time with it. I'll check in periodically so you guys can see the progress. And I don't want to drive you guys crazy with the noise. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, you can see that the steering wheel looks absolutely phenomenal. I've got rid of a lot of the pretty much all of the grease and slime and that yucky stuff that was in the car before. And I honestly, it's unbelievable. 5 minutes worth of wiping can completely restore your steering wheel. So now that I'm done with the steering wheel, I don't want to continue doing it because I don't want to damage the steering wheel. I think it looks phenomenal. We're going to work with this part here. So let me get to work. As you can see, it's in the same condition that the steering wheel was on, where it was in with the sliminess. So we're going to come back here in a few, and I'll show you what that looks like. And we are done. So all the gunk came right out of the steering wheel and the shift knob here. As you can see, it looks a whole lot better. Now, before I let you guys go, take a look at this. All it took was a very gentle sponge that is not does not contain any wires or anything like that. You only want a sponge, delicate sponge type. The other thing is, when you're going and cleaning this, you do not want to rub hard at all. All you're doing is taking the sponge, and literally it's like you're wiping things down like you would with a regular microfiber cloth. That is literally all you're doing. You do not want to damage or further damage the leather. Of course, you know, this is an older car, so of course there's going to be gunk still here. But compared to how it was before, where I had that completely shine look, it is absolutely phenomenal. I got a lot of gunk out of the knob here, and all it took was water, Again, with absolutely no soap. There are some guys that say to use soap. I personally don't. All you're using is water and a very delicate sponge, and all you're doing is gently wiping around the steering wheel. I work it by section, so I did from here to here, and then I did this part, and then I did this part. Now here behind, because that's where I grabbed the wheel, and here are the parts that took the longest. But other than that, I mean, it really only took a few minutes. If you guys have any comments, drop them down below. We'll see you with the next video. Take care.